morning. Today we're making big steaks. Interesting technique. Woo! Hell yeah, big steaks. Look at that shit. All right, we're gonna season them. Seasons. Now we have to make a chimichurri. Shallots. Oh, I gotta warm up. All right, shallots. A lot of chopping. Gonna smash the garlic. Garlic. Some oil in there. Should pass me that scallion. All right, hell yeah. A whole bunch of shit happening there. We're gonna stir it up. All right, sauce. Now I'm gonna cut this lime. Lime's in there. Some salt in there. Pretty good. Chimichurri. Now I'm gonna cook these steaks. Hell yeah. Okay, now they're gonna do that for a long time. Maybe get like a tight sexual, tight sexual steak. We're back. All right, I'm gonna cut this one. Look at that. Look at her. She's all splayed out. She looks fucking perfect. That's really good. Who else wants to be this? Good girl. Do we have butter? I have an idea.
Two bitches with some butter and bourbon. What could go wrong?
Ooh. Get a little chimichurri on there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks nice. Now we're gonna eat it. Oh man, that's cool.